Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that could change the way you earn money in 2025, how to use Claude AI to make money. With advancements in AI technology, particularly with Claude AI, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Claude AI? Claude AI is an advanced artificial intelligence system developed by Anthropic that excels in natural language processing, data analysis, and automation. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it incredibly versatile for various applications. Key features of Claude AI: natural language processing, NLP, understands and generates text. Data analysis, extracts insights from large datasets. Code generation, assists with programming tasks. Multilingual support, communicates in multiple languages. Now that we have a grasp on what Claude AI is, let's explore how you can leverage its capabilities to make money. Are you a writer or content creator? With Claude AI, you can generate articles, blogs, and even social media posts quickly and efficiently. Imagine being able to produce high-quality content in a fraction of the time it usually takes. Question: how can I get started with content creation using Claude AI? Simply provide Claude with a topic or outline, and it can help you draft your content. You can then edit and refine it to match your voice. This means you can take on more clients or projects without burning out. Freelancing is another fantastic avenue. You can offer services such as copywriting, translation, or even virtual assistants powered by Claude AI. Question: what specific services can I offer? You could provide social media management by generating engaging posts or even managing customer inquiries through chatbots powered by Claude AI. This allows you to scale your business without needing additional manpower. Businesses are always looking for insights from their data. With Claude AI's advanced data analysis capabilities, you can help companies make informed decisions. Question: how do I approach businesses for data analysis services? Start by showcasing your ability to extract insights from their existing data sets. Offer a free demo using sample data to demonstrate how Claude can identify trends and forecast future outcomes. If you're tech-savvy, consider developing applications that utilize Claude AI's capabilities. For instance, creating a productivity app that helps users manage tasks through intelligent suggestions. Question: what resources do I need to develop an app? You'll need basic programming skills and access to Claude AI's API. Start small with a prototype and gather user feedback to improve your app over time. Finally, consider creating online courses teaching others how to use Claude AI effectively. With the growing interest in AI tools, there's a demand for educational content. Question: what platform should I use for my course? Platforms like Udemy or Teachable are great options where you can reach a large audience. Create engaging video content demonstrating how to use Claude AI in various scenarios. So, there you have it. Whether it's through content creation, freelancing services, data analysis, app development, or online education, Claude AI offers numerous pathways to make money in 2025. Before we wrap up, remember that the key to success is not just using the tool, but understanding how it fits into your unique skills and market demands. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology for financial success. And let me know in the comments how you plan to use Claude AI. Until next time, stay innovative.